Hello, sport fans. It is another exciting edition of Limitless Soccer. My name is Bayonle Arashi. Happy New Year, everyone. I'm so excited to come your way today. And of course, this is the first episode of Limitless Soccer for 2016. And I promise you guys, this year, it's going to be a game changer for us on Limitless Soccer. First of all, I'm happy to introduce to you that from now on, latest highlights that I normally upload on my Facebook page is now being uploaded on my YouTube page. Yippee! I expect everyone to celebrate with me regarding that particular one. Happy New Year to you all! And I say, this year should bring us a lot of success, hope, and renewed strength to be able to conquer in whatever endeavor we lay our hands upon. Exciting matches were played across Europe, mainly in England and Spain, of course, over the weekend. You know, it was the New Year's Eve, and the whole everywhere was exciting. Everybody is celebrating. We're all in celebrating mood, and as usual, everyone always have something new to say about the new year. And I can say for myself, I have promised you guys that this year will be different. On this platform, I'm going to bring you more updates. We're going to top up the way the vlog looks, more graphics, more information, and more soccer videos on this page. My name is Bayonle Arashi, and like I said earlier, I'm so excited, and I say Happy New Year to all of you out there that do watch this vlog week in, week out, especially all the lovers of the beautiful game. The biggest news coming out of Spain today is the fact that Rafa Benitez has been fired after a meeting with Real Madrid's president Florentino Perez. Not 100% confirmed, but I already uploaded it on my Facebook page that he has been fired, and I hope it is not true, because if it is, then I don't know what's happening at the Bernabeu, because the result against Valencia over the weekend actually confirmed that the team is not so bad. Maybe some technical input is needed, right, like everyone is thinking, but this is just less than 6 months that Rafa took over the job, and for them to be so hasty in sending him away, I don't know about that particular one. So it ended for Phil Neville, former Manchester United defender, of course, 2 for Valencia, 2 Real Madrid, 2. It was a very beautiful game. It was a tense game away at the Mestalla in the Valencia stadium. Also, the Barcelona derby between Barcelona and Espanyol. Barcelona were away, also ended 0-0. That particular game was played on Saturday. Barcelona could not get a goal with all the shots at goal. The Uruguayan forward and the Brazilian Samba boy player, none of them could get a goal on that day. So it ended 0-0 for between Barcelona and Espanyol. Quickly to England, because this is just like an Happy New Year message to all our lovers, and to the fact that the game is going to change this season on this platform on Limitless Soccer. Manchester United, they got a 2-1 victory, a very hard-fought 2-1 victory against Swansea on Saturday. Arsenal topping the table now. They defeated Newcastle. Newcastle were also very stubborn by 1-0 on Saturday. Leicester City, the surprise package of the English Premier League this season, they could not get their 3 points on Saturday against Bournemouth, because that team is also very rejuvenated, and they are also very stubborn side. But the news came in today that Leicester signed a winger, Gray, for £3.7 million. And another good news for Barcelona, Arda Turan can play for Barcelona now after the ban extension has been finally lifted on Barcelona. More games in the English Premier League. Everton, well, only they've had it really tough in the last 3 weeks. They got a 1-1 draw with Tottenham Hotspur on Sunday in that particular one. Chelsea got a 3 goals away victory at Crystal Palace. Some are saying maybe because Johan Cabaye did not play in that particular game might have contributed to the fact that Crystal Palace were weaker that day. And Chelsea, Nigeria's midfielder John Obi Mikel was for me, man of the match against Crystal Palace. 98 complete passes made by the Nigerian midfielder. Fantastic. He gave Cesc Fabregas the opportunity to distribute the passes to the forwards. And of course, Eden Hazard had an early injury in that particular game. In as early as 13th minute, he was substituted for Pedro that came on to also play really well. And what about that goal from Chelsea's player of the season so far, William Bogus? Fantastic shot from that Oscar's pull down. He kicked the ball so powerful. And of course, Diego Costa added the third goal to give Chelsea a comfortable 3-0 win away at Crystal Palace. Well, this is about the little that I'm going to give you guys today on Limitless Soccer. But watch out for much more highlight. I'm sure every other league is going to resume later this week. There will be league games played in England on Tuesday and on Wednesday. League Cup games that will be played. And of course, I will also come your way probably before the week runs out to give you guys updates on that particular matches that will be played on that day. Guys, I need your comment. I need your contribution this year on this platform. We have to do this together. Let me know what is being done that is not good enough on the platform, and let us improve. Let us all keep talking football. That's what the platform is created for us to exchange ideas and talk about the game that we all love. It is Limitless Soccer, and my name is Bayonle Arashi. Remember, as I always say, be yourself and be awesome. Till I come your way again later this week, God bless you all, and happy New Year 2016 to everyone across the world watching this vlog right now. Bye for now, and God bless you.